Hello, I'm Christine, also known as Flo, and I really want to tell you about our team's project, the Escapeverse. The Escapeverse plans to be the premier puzzle destination in the Metaverse, where you can build your NFT's IQ on chain and get rewarded for it. We are the first community to gamify IQ. A little background though. So, my team loves the NFT space, and we wanted to create something that would ultimately benefit all NFT communities. My co creator and I are both escape room owners and puzzle enthusiasts, as well as puzzle designers with backgrounds in business and marketing. We also have deep roots in various puzzle communities. Also, I myself personally have a background in psychology and crypto linguistics. And with these powers combined, we found that we could create a high quality, dynamic, and overall fun based puzzle community like no other. We wanted to focus on solving three initial problems, though. One, there are currently no high quality platforms on the blockchain where you can play escape rooms, murder mysteries, puzzle hunts, and overall puzzle based games all in one place. Number two, it's difficult to find people to play these social type puzzle games with in both the digital and physical world. And number three, there's no way to prove your track record and actually benefit from it. Imagine for a moment that you can finally prove that you're a gigabrain with 1,000 IQ and receive perks. Enter the Escapeverse. So what do you get by joining the Escapeverse? Well, as an Escapeverse NFT holder, commonly called a puzzlehead, by the way, you'll get access to endless puzzle experiences, where you can choose your adventure among 6 main genres: horror, historical, mystery, mystical, adventure, and sci-fi, and unlock special access based on which genre your NFT belongs in. Also, you'll belong to a community to find friends to play these experiences with, or bring your own. You're going to have the ability to rank up your NFT's IQ on the leaderboard and get rewarded virtually or at in-person events. Another thing that we're bringing into our project is a play and earn platform where you can even create your own puzzle experience and get rewarded for it. And you're going to be able to, of course, take advantage of perks virtually and in the real world with discounts and merch and more in a global puzzle passport program, which will include escape rooms, puzzle hunts, and more in both the physical and digital world. If you're looking for an experience like no other, venture into the Escapeverse and come be a piece of the puzzle.